Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you my Myntra haul. So I've bought a couple of pieces for the upcoming festive / wedding season, and all of these pieces are under 1500. I've kept in mind the budget, and according to that I've ordered some of my favorite pieces which look very good and were in a very good price point as well. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So the first thing that I bought from Myntra is this maroon set which has a kurti and a sharara. It has no dupatta with it, and the fabric feels very soft, but the only thing that I don't like is that it doesn't have a lining, and due to which all the golden work that it has here is a little, like, it's not soft on the body. So you might get irritated, or what you can do is get it get a lining done from your tailor, and I'll mention the link in the description box below, and also insert a clipping on the screen somewhere for you guys to see how it looks. So the second set that I bought from Myntra is this one. It's a very pretty black which has golden polka dots all over it. It's a short kurti, and again it's with a sharara. I love how it looked on me. The only problem that I have is with the quality of the fabric, but since it's very affordable, so I don't know if you can ask for more, but definitely you cannot wear it without getting a lining done. The next one is from Libas. It's a very good brand, but I unfortunately did not like this set because of the style that it has. The lining, the stitching that it has in front comes in between the bust area, which is definitely not at all flattering. Plus the fabric is soft, but it is extremely transparent, so I don't think so you'll be able to wear it without wearing anything inside. But then again, everything feels the material feels very cheap, so this is a maybe piece for me, not a definite yes. Next is this green set that I got from Bhama Couture. It's a brand on Myntra only. It's again a sharara set without dupatta. It looks decent, but the only problem is that it feels very cheap. The fabric is very cheap, but then again, according to the price point, it's fine. So if you like the print and the color and the style, you can definitely go for this one. So the next set is this mustard yellowish colored suit. This is a normal suit with wide pants, and it looks very pretty, and the kurti fits me perfectly. The only problem is that the bottoms did not fit me, because I think I have to go one size up with the bottoms, but the kurti is fine. So you should check the size chart for this and order a size up, and then if you have a little problem in the kurti, you can get it altered. So that's how you can use this set. All in all, it looks very pretty and perfect for festive season. Last but definitely not the least is this very pretty hot pink set. So this is a peplum style top. It's a very like loose fitted style, and it comes with dhoti pants. Both of them fit very nice on me, and the fabric is also very nice, very soft, very breathable. Out of all these suits that I've shown you, the fabric of this I love the most. So definitely you can go for this one. So these were my top 6 picks from Myntra, and I really hope you loved the pieces and enjoyed the haul. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, and let me know if you have any feedback, any comments in the comment section below, and I would love to get back to you. And please share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. See you next time. Bye.